Dumped the last one. Had to start all over. Oil change done. 7 seconds. Professional service center.
I'm still checking to see what's wrong with the brakes.
Boy, that clientele.
No, what you want to do with that?
Bliss a little bit.
You want to change front and back, all of them? Only the front brakes? Okay. Can you say you want to take those brakes and take it back? They're still under warranty? Okay. Let me call you when they have them out. As soon as they take those brakes out, I'm going to call you so you can come pick them up. Yeah. Probably an hour, maybe less. I'll call you.
I'm gonna walk to KFC. Just call me if you need me, okay?
Pit stop. Yeah.
Oh.
$65 plus tax.
Thank you, Mastermind Alliance Publishing Group. Oh, you got it insert. Gotta hustle, boy. Thank you, bro. Three minutes.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna bring it back, man. Get a look at I had to pay $88 for that.
No. If you want to check front end, it's no charge. If it's something to do with the engine, transmission, yeah.
Yeah. So y'all roll with me to get the oil change. Y'all stay tuned. More dope content. Oh, I bit my tongue. All right, like Mastermind Line Publishing Group.